Smalls wheeling his way down with the stall. Come on, give him some noise.
All right.
All right, now we see Phil eyeing up the S3 triple step. Right here, this is a very technical obstacle. You're going to see him use the suspension to bounce himself up those 3 steps, as well as precise clutch and throttle blips. As we see Pat follow him up. Come on, let's make some noise, Seattle! We love the energy. All right, so that's a pretty gnarly obstacle, but I think we're going to make it a little gnarlier. We got my assistant, Troy Smalls. You guys know him from America's Got Talent. This is how he earns his paycheck around here. He's the lay down, get jumped over master, putting himself on the line. All right, who wants to see Troy get jumped over? There we go, hopping up the triple step right over Smalls. Let's give it up for Smalls, guys. Putting himself on the line for you here today.